box right here marks a monumental moment in the life of Zach Pearson. I have been waiting about 2 weeks for this box. I am so pumped to share with you what is inside. It is a monumental moment. Mark this in history, in the history books of Zach Pearson. What is inside? That is a question in which we will answer today. I will reveal to you what is inside this beautiful brown box sent to me by, to be revealed in a second, through the UPS store, Small Business Solutions. A shipping option. Anyways, I'm here today in my office to do an unboxing, my first ever unboxing. And I think we should roll a cinematic sequence for this special occasion. Yes? Here we go. Are you ready? I'm so ready. Inside, we have not but one, but two. Box one. And box. Box two. Right here, baby. Oh, look what we have here. I've been working with this group of people, Grind City Kicks, for a couple of years now, and recently my friends Jay hooked me up with a couple of pair of sick shoes. Now, this is a monumental moment in my life because I've never actually worn this style of shoes before, or actually I don't think this style. But there was a day back in the early 90s when I was a fan of Michael Jordan, and Mom may have gotten me a pair of some J's. So I'm gonna call her and ask, and I'm gonna show you which J's I got. But first, thank you, Grind City Kicks, for hooking me up with this sweet pair of shoes. It's a resale company based out of Memphis, Tennessee. Check out their website here, link below, and their Instagram is fire. You can see some of my work there, as well as if you followed me on Instagram for quite some time, you probably wonder, is this bro a sneakerhead? No, I don't know the first thing about sneakers, actually, besides they go on your feet. And that's why I picked up the phone and called my boy Jay over at Grind City Kicks, is because he is one of the sneakerheads that exists in the world and can tell me not only cool styles, but sleeper sneakers. Ones that are underrated. Ones that are dope, that are straight fire. The ones that I want on my feet. As you can see, I'm a pretty plain bro when it comes to what I wear. I shop at Banana Republic. I get the same style shirt and I get the same style pants. But when it comes to my shoes, I've always struggled. But not anymore. Today is the day I will step up my game and bring the heat. Bring the heat. Yes. Alright, so we're gonna call Mom right now and see if I've ever owned a pair of J's. I don't even know if Mom knows what a pair of Jordans are anymore, but tune in. Hang on one second. Hopefully you can hear her.
Hey, Zach.
Hey, Mom. I got a quick question for you.
All right.
Did I ever own a pair of Jordans as a kid?
Tennis shoes?
Yeah.
Well, I want to say say yes because you guys were into Michael Jordan. So, I mean, you had Michael Jordan clothes. I'm pretty sure you did, but why?
Well, I'm recording a YouTube video opening what I thought might have been my very first pair of Jordans, but I couldn't remember back in the early 90s whether or not you dressed us in such fashion.
Well, I know you liked Michael Jordan clothes. I don't, and had some. Couldn't tell you about the shoes for sure.
Okay.
I'm just thinking, yeah, because most of them were high tops, weren't they?
Yeah, these are mids. Well, tell YouTube hi.
Okay. Hi YouTube. That's not what you wanted.
All right. Love you, Mom.
Love you too. Bye.
She's a sweetheart. Love my mother. So apparently there's a chance that I wore some Jordans back in the early 90s. So if that's the case, this may not be the first, but this is definitely a circle back, a comeback around, a returning to my childhood, so to speak. Let's open them up. Oh, look at this paper. This paper is sick. Alright, so the style that I got, that I'm super pumped about. I'm gonna rip the paper. Sorry if that's like an offense to the sneakerhead world. Paper's ripped. I hope I can get some more 23 paper somewhere for my J's. You ready? Woo! Yes! These junks right here. Straight fire. Can you see me in these? Do you want to see me in these? Pretty sure you do. I do. These are the Air Jordan 1 mid infrareds, and they're straight flame. You can see actually a couple pictures of them on my Instagram. When I first saw these, they went boom. They popped so hard. Loved it. There's actually a photo shoot for Grind City Kicks in Memphis when I did that, and look at these guys. I mean, wow. If that's not loud, if that doesn't say, dude, those shoes are sick, I don't know what does. All right, hang on. Box number 2. Now these guys I don't know much about, but they're the Adidas NMD Japans. All blacks. Oops. Pretty sick, right? Oh, look at this. Another sticker by Grind City Kicks. These stickers are sick. Where am I going to put them? To be determined. Anybody else want a sticker? By the way, go to their website. Really sweet dudes. Probably shouldn't throw my shoes around like that. By the way, this paper, not as cool as Jordan's. Just says Adidas on it. Anyways. NMDs. These are actually really cool. Pretty light. Looks super flat. Style is sick. I don't know what this says. So if anybody could tell me what the markings on these shoes mean, I would be forever grateful. I should probably know that before I wear it, but it can't be that bad. Oh yeah. Rookie mistake. My SD card ran out. Hate it when that happens. NMD size 12. The bottoms of those are freaking lit, man. I wear size 12. If anybody would like to send me a pair of shoes, sneaks, you may do so. Just leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me whether or not you want to send me a pair of shoes. I will do a cinematic B-roll unboxing. I will do some photos if I like them, and I'll rack them out if they're fire. you want to see me in these? Oh yeah, I'm gonna try these guys on. But which one to try on first? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo better. These guys. Yeah, look at this. Look at this beauty. It smells fresh. So, Michael Jordan was one of the most iconic players in NBA history. Not only was he good at basketball, but baseball apparently he was also really good at. The man was the GOAT. The GOAT. And so who would not want to wear a pair of Jordan 1s? Right? Especially if you're born in the pre-90s. Grew up in the 90s. We're playing the little video games with Michael Jordan, the NBA game, in the car, on the way to school, on the toilet. You know what I mean? Taking me back to my childhood. Shouldn't you go to that? Yeah. Look at this. Right here. Oh, baby. Grind City Kicks. Get you a pair. The last thing I would like to say is thank you to my friends over at Grind City Kicks. Love these stickers. Thanks for hooking me up with these bangers and these bangers and these bangers and these bangers. Love my shoes. Thank you for the relationship and the partnership that we have. Hopefully a lot of people will come to your website, go follow you on Instagram, because you guys deserve it. Keep hustling, keep grinding, and do what you love.